Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus limits can look intimidating, but solving this derivative problem is actually super quick if you know the right definition. Let us break it down now. The slope of a tangent line at a point x equals a is defined by the limit of the difference quotient as x approaches a. You got this, keep going. Compare our given limit to the definition. Setting a equal to -1, we see the expression perfectly matches the derivative at x equals -1. That is the key. Since the limit is given as -3/5, the slope of the tangent line at x equals -1 must also be -3/5. Boom, we found it! Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid skipping the limit definition. Always match x to a to find the correct slope.